In this video, I will be showing you how to generate images by using the Bing Image Creator. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Bing Image Creator. We'll be having the bing.com create image. Just select this. So before you create an image, I would recommend you to sign in. So just click on the sign in option over here, and you need to sign in using your Microsoft account. So after you sign in, here we are having two options. One is the mode as well as the aspect ratio. So if I click on the mode, here we are having three models. One is MAI Image 2e, DALL-E 3 and GPT-4o. So you can choose the mode as well as the model based upon your choice. And apart from that, here we can change the aspect ratio. So each one has its own aspect ratio over here. So once you're done selecting that, you can simply give your prompt over here, or else in case if you're having an image to upload and transform it, simply click on this upload image and select the image of your choice, and then you can give a prompt over here. So we can also edit images with the help of AI. And apart from this, here we are having templates. So we are having this good job sticker, good morning sticker. There are like so many of these templates available, and we can even like explore ideas. These are some of the images that have been already generated. You can simply click that and copy the prompt, download it, share, even set as a wallpaper. And if I click any of these template, we can just upload an image and our image will be getting converted as this template. And apart from this, here we are having the editing tools. So this helps us to do background removal and image retouch, image expander, image enhancer. So that's amazing. So I will just go and give a prompt for this. So I will just go with this prompt, and you can choose the model of your choice. Okay, I will just select that, and aspect ratio, let it be 1:1, and click on create. And these are the images that we have got. That looks amazing. And if you want to edit those images, here we are having edit image. So you can simply select the image of your choice and give the prompt and edit it also. Or else if you want to convert that image to a video also, you can simply click on animate image and select the aspect ratio, and this will be converted as a video also. Basically a video without audio, just like adding some motion to it. You can simply download it from over here. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.